Canigao used to be a secret little paradise in Leyte, but in 2005 it gained popularity. Tourists have flocked to the island because of its beauty. During the Spanish era, it was said that there were Spaniards who saw the flaming red of the fire trees that dotted the shores of Matalom beach and the scenic Canigao. They asked the native, "What's the local dialect for Hermosa or beautiful?" The natives answered Matalom or Matalom, and this was the origin of the town's name. Best time to visit Canigao. Just like other beach destinations in the Philippines, the best time to visit Canigao Island Leyte is during summer between the months of March to May. The weather is also good from May to July. Avoid the rainy season from the months of August to November if you want to make the most of your Canigao Island diving experience. How to get to Canigao Island Leyte? Going to Canigao Island Resort is easy. From Manila, book a flight going to Tacloban and head to Tacloban New Transport Terminal. Upon arrival at the terminal, ride a van bound for Maasin and ask to be dropped off at Matalom Municipal Hall. Travel time is around 3 hours, and then ride a passenger boat to Canigao Paradise, which takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Where to stay in Canigao? There are no hotels on the island, but there are cottages that you can rent overnight for a minimal fee. You can also bring your own tent and camp. Here are some of the rates you need to prepare for your budget to help you figure out if you're going to book a Canigao Island tour package or just do it yourself. Entrance fee is 20 pesos for children 6 to 12 years old, 40 pesos for adults. Boat fare is 65 per person, and open day cottage rental is 500 pesos, and then open cottage overnight fee is 700 pesos, and they have rooms for rent for 1,500 pesos, and also tent pitching for 100 pesos. Here are some fun things to do in Canigao Leyte: swimming, diving, snorkeling, beach volleyball, fishing with locals, sunbathing, camping, exploring other attractions in Canigao like lighthouses, watch the amazing sunset and sunrise, stargazing. So when in Canigao, you can set up a hammock in any of the starry trees. Once done, lay down, close your eyes, feel the cool sea breeze, listen to the soothing sound of ocean waves and chirping of migratory birds, and doze off to sleep for a few minutes to rejuvenate your senses. Alternatively, you can get your favorite book and read with the sea breeze on your face. Or you can just lay down and look at the beautiful surrounding, like different types of tree species, clear turquoise water, sparkling white sand, warm skies, rare cloud formation, and so much more. You can also tour around barefoot. Canigao is one of the islands in the Philippines with the finest white sand. On the way, you'll see awesome sand and rock formations, variety of plants, endangered tropical and subtropical trees, different types of shells, migratory birds, fisher folk waving their hands to say hi, friendly and generous locals, and more. You can also swim as long as you want. Actually, most of the tourists immediately go and take a swim once they arrive on the island. They just can't resist the inviting, sparkling, crystal clear, and cool water. It's amazing because you can see the sun beating down hard, but when you dip into its waters, it's very cool. And when you come up, it's very cold because of the strong sea breeze. Your eyes will be filled with excitement too, as colorful fishes swim along. You can also try sunbathing on the beach. From time to time, you can take a break from swimming and go sunbathing. It's the perfect way to even out your skin tone. You can also snorkel or dive outside the protected area. The north and west part of Canigao is a sanctuary. That is why the island has an abundant, rich marine life. Snorkeling or diving in the middle of a bright day, you will be mesmerized by the extensive number of tropical sea creatures and enchanting ocean floor with dramatic and lush coral gardens. You can also come with some fisher folks to catch fishes and get edible sea urchins, shells, and others. The locals on the island are one of the friendliest people on the planet. You can just approach the fisher folk there or hire a palm boat especially for you. You can also try using a paddle boat for a more exciting adventure. You can also go kayaking or ride a jet ski within the designated area. You can also play beach volleyball or frisbee. There is a beach volleyball court for everyone, and if it's occupied, you can go somewhere where there is enough space. It is advised, though, that you bring your own ball and equipment, just in case. You can also visit the lighthouse and other landmarks. In the middle of the island, you can see one of the oldest lighthouses in Leyte. In the morning, they allow tourists to climb and have a panoramic view of the whole eastern Visayas. You can also see the islands of Camotes, Cebu, Cagayan, Limasawa, and more. You can also watch the majestic sunset and sunrise. By far, the island offers the best view of the sunset and sunrise. You can also pitch a tent for 100 pesos to 200 pesos per tent area, although there are cottages from 500 to 700 pesos and rooms for 1,500 pesos for those who will be staying overnight. It is advised that you try camping or pitching a tent by the shore. Sleeping with the sun as your bed is certainly a must-try for first-timers. You'll be surprised how comfortable and refreshing it is. You can also watch shooting stars at night. In cities, it's rare to see falling stars even once, but once in Canigao, you will lose count. It's totally a mind-blowing experience. More stars, more wishes.